friends and hello student. My name is Ashok Sijala. In this session, we learn the merge to file in C language in file management. So let us start. First, I share my laptop screen and here fix the position so you can watch better way my video lecture. And here Turbo C++, I double click and take some process and now yes is open Alt F file menu taking new file and here our goal write a program to uh, write and read three files, yes, and merge two file in in one file, yes, that is our goal. So yes, here we can write three files. Yes, very important concept for your knowledge. So we can actually write three file and read also three file, but two file combined in the one file and read. So first, and that is we have to text file. So in file management in C language. So let us start. First, I include the header file, standard standard input output, and console conio.h console input output and void main. So first we can first one file write and read, and then step by step I can explain. So here I take as a file pointer fp1 and character. So character ch1. So we can identify. So 1, 2, 3, and that type of we can give. And first I open one fp1 that open is a function, and then you have to know very well C drive. In this editor there is no chance to save to a particular folder. So here turbo C3 and the double slash, that is part of syntax, and bin folder, and we can say first ABCD. So yes, here we cannot take from user directly write the ABCD first capital A to Z in first abcd.txt and write mode. I open this file, and if any mistake of path, so that is assigned to null, so we can provide one if condition. So let us take and use directly putS, and that we can say that uh, can't open a file. Yes, so here we have to take as file, and that I include the one header file that is a for process.h. So process.h is exit function we have to use here. So exit if path is not proper assigned and any mistake of that path, so we can exit. And now we can write here we can take as a for loop. So yes, I take one integer variable and that is I, our counter variable, because for loop that we have to take I65. So that is ASCII code of capital A and 9 zeros that capital Z. So I plus plus, and we can use F put C, and can also use put direct F put C and put C. Both are function F put C and put C. So here write I and that file pointer 1, and then we can close this file. So file pointer 1, and then reopen that same file for reading purpose. So I copy and paste to here that condition and all are, but we can change the mode as a read mode, and that is we can give some message. So we can say that read first file contents. So yes, here reading and that slash n, and here now we can take as a while loop, and that is parenthesis ch1 then f get c, and otherwise you can also use simple get c, f get c, both are same work, and f file pointer 1, and that not equal to eof end of file, and then we can print to our file, and percentage C and one blank, and then ch1, and then close again that same file, that fp1, and then we can provide a get ch. So that is a first file we can write and read is complete process. Now we can step to second file, but first we can check that coding is perfectly or not. So first, yes, we can check that mode or that path is perfectly. So in this editor, you can look here, no any our drive. So we can save as a C drive and turbo C3 bin. So yes, any mistake your BOC3 bin, yes, and double slash everywhere. So yes, no any I think mistake. So I can save first. We can save this file. So here we can say that main focus is merge. So merge, and we can say that FM is file management in short. So .c. So yes, that save and I compile. Yes, no any error. Yes, and merge.fm exe executable file is created, and let us check. So here we can directly ASCII code use, and that write capital A to Z, and then we have to not write from keyboard. You can also write some text like keyboard. There is no any problem. And here for loop to take as a while loop. Yes, and that get chr and ch variable and take end of file. So many video lecture in my YouTube channel. You can also take that help. And now let us I run. So yes, I run Control F9. So yes, look here. First, uh, read first file content. So that is a to Z, capital A to Z. Now we can same process, small a to Z in the second file. So yes, I first take as a file pointer asterisk file pointer 2, and here we can ch2. You can also use ch1 also, but here so separate we can use character, but file pointer is compulsory separate. So yes, I copy this all part, yes, here, and pass to our second. Yes, so all are copy. So that is a second. Yes, here that is expand selection. So I can, that is right mode, and here we can use file pointer 2 and change the file name. Yes, also that is first ABCD, S second ABCD means that small a to Z. So we can write small a to Z in notepad. TXT file is there, and that file pointer if condition also fp2, then same. Yes, here we can change as a for loop. So that small a is start is 97, and then 122. So that file pointer we can write 2, yes, and then close the file, same process, and then again open the file pointer 2, and we can say that yes, file, it can also change the file name as abcd in second abcd, and second time we can check the path is, so one way here you can check. So you cannot if required, but here we can provide. So because that is path is same, just we can change the mode right to read here. So you can also remove this code if not, because that's not required. So we have to already check here. So again, we have to second time check. So yes, and that read here we can remaining that if condition and read the second. So here I give the message change second file content, and that fp file pointer to ch2, and then here we can print ch2, and here I provide the slash n, so new line, because that is second file, and that file pointer close again. So let us take that work or not. So we can same copy and paste, but change we can take place. So all change is perfectly whenever you can copy. So be alert because some change is remaining. So that taking error. So let us take, I first revise. So here fp2 is correct, and file name, yes, we have to change. Yes, here fp2 if condition we have to change, and here our for loop is also change, and file pointer 2 and close, and then reopen second abcd.txt, and then file pointer. Yes, all are changed, I think perfectly, no any require. Yes, all are well. So let us check, and I compile again, there is no any error, and that, yes, look. So first file content, and that is capital A to Z, and second read second file content, that is small a to Z. So that two file we can write directly based on ASCII code. So you have to know very well that ASCII code. So I cannot all that explain in detail. So now we can start our third file and merge two file in the one file. So first we can open these two file as read mode. So yes, I copy this line, yes, and then paste again to here, and then paste to second time. So yes, that is a just second time. So here we can first two file is read mode, and first and second, that is a read mode, yes, perfectly. And here first, and then we can third file means we can take as a file pointer third. So here I take as a asterisk file pointer 3, and let us check ch3. So we can distinct, so identify, yes, that perfectly. And now we can go in here last, and that first file, yes, that perfectly read mode second file, and now I can copy again and paste to third file open, so that we can take file pointer 3, and that write mode, yes, not read mode, because we have to merge two file in one file. And here we can change also that file name is all ABCD. Yes, that is all ABCD means capital A to Z, and small means both ABCD. So all ABCD, that name. And now we can yes, taking as a while loop. So that is same, yes, reading file. So first we can take as a if condition ch1 and f get c and 5 pointer 1 and not equal to EOF end of file, yes, and then AND operator, and then CH2, then F get C again, and then 5 pointer 2, and that also parenthesis, and here also we can take same not equal to EOF end of file. So and in between we can use as a logical AND operator. You have to know very well. And then here just that parenthesis, let us check any require. So here we can start and here close, and here we can I give some blank. So here we can start, and yes, here, yes, yes, here is not required, so directly here let us check. And now we can write first already we can read already two files, so we cannot read again because we have also printf function, but I directly write. So first we can write, and that is we can, as it is our routine task. So how to write read? So yes, f put c, and that is ch1 and 5 pointer 3, and then again f put c. And here we can also use like I only not f put c, that both are similar, but let us check. So that is ch2 and 5 pointer is 3, yes, so both file combined one by one. And then yes, you can also printf function use and read again, but here we can first and second file already read, so here we cannot read again. But now we can read third file is definitely, but here first close all three files, and then reading is start. So 5 pointer 1, then I copy and paste. So all three file is closed. So yes, that sequence I can give. So we can easily modify 5 pointer 1 to 3. Yes. And now we can, again, I copy that all part. Yes. And paste to here for reading purpose. So yes, here we can first third file open for read mode, and that we can provide one message printf. So here we can give the session after merge. We can say the third file contain R. Yes, that third file contain R, and that we can provide only one if condition, not two. So here I can remove one if that is just capital. Yes, here small f. So capital F, not E. So that perfectly. So yes, that we can alert. So yes, here we can use the ch3 and file pointer also 3. And now here no require any brace. All I can delete it and only one printf function, and that is we can take percentage %c and then cht and one blank provided. So yes, and you can also use slash and provide, but that is a very long, so out of our screen range, so I cannot give one blank page. So we can also testing that point, and then close 3 file, not any other third last file, and then I can save. So let us check also, that is a merging. Yes, here we can read at a 2 file at the same time, and that merge in the third file. So that is actually we can write 3 file and reading also and writing. So first we can write 2 file and read one by one, and then third file 2 file open for reading purpose. Yes, here look, so here 2 file is reading and third file is writing, and both file we can one by one write. You can also write first one while loop taking, and that first file write and then append mode. You can also use that technique. But here we can one by one. So first ABCD, so capital A and next small a, capital B and small b. You can also write that type, take 2 while loop, and first like first abcd you have to first write and then reopen in append mode, and then append the second means small abcd. So capital A to Z and small a to Z, that is also possible, and that is also, that is merge operation. But here we can take as a one while loop, and in this situation you can take 2 while loop. So first write only, here I can just show you. So here you can complete, and that condition you take here, that not require. So that after you can take as a second while loop, and that process is same thing. So yes, that I can remove. Just I can explain to how separate you have to one file write and then close and then reopen the third file as a append mode, not write mode. Otherwise, all content is deleted. So that is only one change is required. Otherwise, all are same. And in this second tech, that is a second technique that I can use as a first technique. So you can also possible to do while loop and write in separate. And first time you can read first file, yes, first file read operation and write operation, third file, and then second file read operation, but third file is append mode. So then and then that is perfectly write 2 file in one file. But here I can write as a simultaneously, same time we have to write as a 2 file in one file. So that is a merge operation, and there are 2 techniques. So I can explain. So you can also use the second technique for your practice. So yes, let us I compile. Yes, one. Yes, here F is there. So yes, no any change. Yes, that perfectly. So no any error. So that is our successfully. So yes, all are well. So let us check. We can here to now complete our logic, no any error. But here is no any error, but we can check our all, yes, to file for read purpose, and we can also change the first ABCD, that a second, and all ABCD taking new file name, and then one file pointer one is there, ch1, and here ch2 and file pointer 2. So we can copy that time be alert, so all change is perfect, otherwise that taking the error. And here all 3 file close and reopen the third file for reading purpose, and after merge third file content r, yes, that message over, and that we have to read, and that print on the screen, and then again close the third file. So yes, I think no any required to change. So I can run. Yes, look here, very important. So capital A to Z, that is first file, second that is small a to Z, and then mixing. So yes, so after merge third file content R, yes, F is remaining the message, so we can provide. But you can look in the content, capital A, small a, capital B, small b, capital C. So that is a one by one. So I can previously told you, if you write capital A to Z all first and then write small a to Z, so you can take as a two while loop. There is no any problem. So yes, that is a merge operation we have to implement in C language. So very important for your knowledge. And here one F after, so F is remaining. There is no any change. Just message is there. So yes, but we have to correct the spelling. So yes, after merge the third file, yes, very important. So your knowledge. So here I just all that code. So yes, here our definition we can complete. So write a program to write and read three files and merge two file in one file. So all goal we have to successfully. So here we can three file pointer and three character variable and one I as a integer variable. And you in your mind question why I is integer, because that ASCII code is integer and we can write as a character file, so that automatically convert into the appropriate character. So 65 is capital A and less than or equal to 90, so that is a right capital A to Z in first file, and then same file open read purpose, and that we have to read is a while loop. So that is we have already done. I just summarize all the things. So here second file I can just copy. So but we have to change file pointer and then condition and then file name as abcd.txt, and then same message, and then 97 9 91 and 96, that 6 is a some symbol is there, so we can skip, and that we have to 97 small a and 122 is small z, so that we can write the second file and open for read, and that same if condition, and we can read the second file and close, and that is now we can start the two file for reading purpose and one file for writing, and then we can at the same time we can write reading two file and writing the third file, and then all three file we have to close, and step by step we have to read. So that is while loop and we can read. Yes, so let us check in our drive, means that file is in C drive, that I think that perfectly. So let us check. So in C drive, yes, Turbo C++, then disk folder, and then Turbo C, and then bin folder. And first we can say that F ABCD. So yes, here F. So that is I can open. So you can look here capital A to Z, and then I press F S ABCD. So that is a second small A to Z, and then we can say that all. So yes, all. Yes, all ABCD. So yes, I can click. So you can look here perfectly. So now I can, all are perfectly over reading. So now write this program to your C notebooks. Very interesting. So yes, I close this file. I can already summarize all these things, so we cannot revise again. So F3 function key and quit. So subscribe my channel Ashok C Jalakani. Press the bell icon to never miss any update. Thanks for your watching, supporting, and sharing my video lecture. And that Hare Krishna.